cat trying to hunt a bird. I don't know if y'all can see the cat in the driveway, but I seen him creeping on the bird. So I had to get this on camera to see if he gets successful or not, or she. I don't know if y'all can see the cat. Little kitten. Right there. And the bird is in the grass. Right there. He made it all the way across the street. The bird has no clue. Let's see if we can get them both in the picture. Not quite. The bird right there on the sidewalk. Unsuccessful. Unsuccessful. Cat looks bewildered. Like, what the hell? He was just here. Where'd he go? Dirty son of a... Alright, I'm going home. It's over. It's a wrap.